So now I have these 3 here that I need to retie, but I'm trying to have a side part. So I will be doing them kind of to lay to the side. So I'm gonna start with this one in the back. Same thing, making sure the parts are as straight as I can get them. And that's literally just water with maybe like a little residue of some vitamin E oil, but mainly water. And I use the clips to help me not pick up a second lock or the lock with combined locks on accident, because that is a headache. So you see you have a good amount. This is pretty much how much new growth I had for every, I don't know if I'm trying to, for every one, which is a lot. I can fit my finger thing. And I'm using the second tool to show y'all how it works.